Got a LYX file from an academic colleague and don't know what to do with it? This is a document from a powerful LaTeX front end used widely in academia. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, edit, and export these LYX documents. As a quick preventative measure, I always recommend having a dedicated universal file viewer ready. This kind of tool can often bypass basic LYX corruption. We will discuss my top recommendation again later in the tutorial. LYX files are document files created by LYX, the document processor that combines the power of LaTeX typesetting with a graphical WYSIWYM interface. They contain structured document content with formatted text, mathematical equations, figures, tables, cross-references, bibliographies, and LaTeX markup for producing publication-quality academic and scientific documents. LYX files use a text-based markup format, storing document structure with layout class definitions, paragraph types, inset objects for math figures, and tables and embedded LaTeX commands. The format separates content from presentation, following the WYSIWYM paradigm where document structure is defined, and LaTeX handles final typographic rendering. The official utility recommended for the LYX file is LYX by the LYX team. The file structure is too complex for native Windows editing tools to manage reliably. Windows offers basic viewing capabilities, while full functionality depends on a proper document editor. To resolve the incompatible file format error, right-click the LYX file and choose Open With. Prioritize LYX if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for the correct file claim. When a LYX file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. When the simple solution doesn't stick, so let's get technical. We are moving straight into these three focused troubleshooting steps now. First, opening in LYX. Download and install LYX from lyx.org, along with a LaTeX distribution such as TextLive or MakeTeX. Open the LYX file using File, then Open. LYX displays the document in its graphical editor showing formatted text equations, figures, and document structure. Ensure all required LaTeX packages are installed for complete document rendering. Next, exporting to PDF. In LYX use file, then export, then PDF LaTeX, to compile the document to PDF format. LYX invokes the LaTeX engine to produce a professionally typeset PDF with all mathematical equations, figures, tables, and cross-references properly rendered. Review the PDF for formatting verification before distribution or publication submission. Finally, exporting to other formats. Export LYX documents to LaTeX HTML ODT EPUB or plain text using File, then Export, and selecting the target format. LaTeX export produces the raw text source for journal submission. HTML export creates web-ready documents, and ODT export enables editing in LibreOffice Writer for collaboration with non-LYX users. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.